Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay. Good morning once again.
Good
Today, first,
morning, ma'am.
good morning. Good morning. So, before I begin, let me present the thought of the day. And before the thought of the day, I want one of you to say the dua. So, Alina, Alina, are you there? Alina, who's
Ma'am, can I
Mohammed
do
Khan?
Mahreen? Ma'am, myself Sheikh Mahreen.
The dua. Yes, Sheikh Marin, say the dua. Say the dua, beta. Marin,
Ma'am,
say the dua.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta alaihim. Ghairil maghdubi alaihim waladdallin.
Very good. Thank you, beta. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
now yes, now I will present the thought to you. Okay. So the thought is today's thought is mistakes are proof that you are trying. Okay, mistakes open your mind. So if you are not trying at all, then it is no use. Yes, but like if you are really trying, sincerely trying, and you make mistakes, that shows that you are making an attempt to try. At least you are trying to write something, to learn something. Okay. And if you make mistakes, you will, it says that my mistakes open your mind. That means when you make a mistake, it makes you think, that where you went wrong. And in that case, what happens is you try to find the answer, solve your problem, or try to find the answer to your problem or the question which you couldn't attempt. So it opens your mind. So what happens is you start thinking whether the first option was correct or whether the second, and it makes you think and relate to the particular chapter or the lesson. And when you think all over again, you get the correct answer. So mistakes are proof that you are trying, and mistakes open your mind. That's why it opens your mind. But if you don't try at all, if I tell somebody to write the question answers 2 times and you don't write at all, then what happens? Suddenly, if there's a surprise test, what happens? You will not be able to attempt, and then you realize that you're making so many mistakes. So, if you're really trying, sincerely trying, there are going to be mistakes, whether it is you or whether it is me. Everybody makes mistakes, and it is from mistakes that we learn. So, mistakes are proof that you are trying. So that don't be discouraged if you have made a mistake or if you have failed in exam. But once you go through the paper again or go through the question answers again, and you will find out yourself where the mistakes are, where you've committed the mistakes. So mistakes are proof that you are trying. Okay. Uh, Now we'll move on to the revision of the question paper. I want Muskan to please present. Muskan, I want you to present the
Yes,
question paper.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
One minute. A test paper.
I don't want the answers. I just want the question.
Yes, ma'am. My screen is visible. Hello.
Screen is visible. Now I want the paper to be visible. Yes, beta. I can hear you. You can't hear
Oh,
me?
I can hear you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So we will So this is your 6th standard English grammar, okay? And I think in English and grammar, okay? Now the first question is give meaning. Now you can unmute, you can mute your mic. Whoever is better, mute your mics, all of you. Okay. So I want the meaning of inclining. Now, who is going to tell me? If one says, the other will not unmute the mic. Only one girl will try.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So I want one of you to just, yes, tell me your name.
Excuse me. I'm Muskan.
Tell
I
me-
want to connect with
Yes.
Bluetooth. 1 minute.
Okay.
Yes, now.
Thank you, Becca. Now you can mute your mic. Becca, mute your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So the first word, the meaning. Yes, one. You have to give me the meaning of inclining. Can anyone tell me the meaning of inclining? Whoever
Can I?
tell me your name, Beta.
Muskan.
Tell me your name.
Muskan.
And I can, except Muskan, everybody mute your mind.
Answer is slanting.
Inclining.
Slanting.
Very good. It is slanting. Very good. Very good. So when you want to make a sentence with inclining, you know how to make one. Do you all know how to make one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can anybody share a sentence with inclining? Before you say the answer, tell me your name and then you say the answer. Okay, nobody can tell me a sentence with inclining. Okay. So, inclining means slanting. Okay. Now, you can say that he was inclining against the wall. Okay. Because his foot was fractured. He was slanting against the wall and standing because his foot was fractured. Can you hear me or not?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you. Okay. Okay, thank you, Beta. Next is blast off. Anybody can tell me the meaning of blast off?
Ma'am, can I check in?
Blast off.
मैम कराई से अलीना खोलिया
Ma'am, can I check in?
Beta, what? Beta, see, Beta, I'll tell you to just raise your hand so that I can tell who is going to say. Alina Kholia, please tell me a meaning. Is blast off.
यस मैम लॉन्च
Alina Kholia. Huh?
लॉन्च
Pardon?
लाउंज
L. Tell me the spelling.
LAUNC LAU
Someone tell me. Yes, Beta, Imam, tell me.
LANUCH
Yes, Imam. Again.
L
Come again.
LANUCH
Yes.
Can I tell the answer?
Yes, Imam. Yes, Beta, Imam, please. Imam, please. Imam.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, tell me. Yes, yes, you're audible, Beta.
LAUNC.
Yes, tell me the answer and the spelling. Launch. Okay.
Launch.
The meaning of blast off is launch. Okay. No, that is okay. Now we move on to the next one. Now give one word. Everybody, please mute your mic. Iman, mute your mic. So the
Ma'am,
next
can
one.
I give the answer of first one, Mehreen?
Marine, yes, you can. Nobody else will say except Marine.
Yes, ma'am.
Given word for close tightly together. Tell
Teacher
me
is clenched.
what?
Clenched.
Clenched, yes.
C
When you clench
C
your
C
fist,
H.
okay? Okay, yes. Yeah, yeah. Very good. Thank you, beta. Now your turn will not come till another one speaks, okay? The next one is making a loud, high noise. Who
Sir,
can tell
ma'am, I
me
say
making a loud, high noise? Yes, tell me your name, beta. Taiba?
Taiba.
Is it Taiba? Yes, Taiba,
Yes.
please say the answer. Making a loud, high noise.
Scre-
Please tell me.
Screaming. Screaming.
Screeching. Screeching. Screaming or screeching? What is the answer? It's in screaming, no?
Screaming.
Screaming means when you shout loudly, on a high. Screeching. S. Tell me the spelling. Tell me the spelling.
Screeching.
Tell me the spelling,
S-C-R.
Taiba. Tell me the
Yes.
double E-C-H-I-N-G. Okay. So the word is screeching. So first one closed tightly is clenched and making a loud high noise is screeching. Okay. Sometimes would have seen the those who people who ride the bike or car. If there's a suddenly if they stop the car, no, they put the brake and stop the car. There's a screeching noise. Okay. Now we move on to the next one. Fill in the blank.
Ma'am, can I say
Okay.
Multani
Those who
Misbah?
did not answer, let the others try. Let the others try. Let the others try.
Ma'am, can I say Kasmani?
Peter, once
Ma'am,
you
can
are
I
fill in the
say
blank.
Multani Misbah?
Yeah, yes, yes. Bit afterwards. First Fatima will say, then Multani will say. Please, I want the fill in the blank. I cannot see them properly. Muskan. Okay, the first one, she, okay, she visited Dash where she rode. The whole question is not seen, I think. Muskan, the whole question is not seen.
Now it is visible.
Yes. She visited Dash where she rode Dash a giant roller coaster. She visited Dash where she rode Dash giant roller coaster. Uh, Fatima was saying I want to answer. Fatima? Okay, okay, Multani. Who is Multani?
Ma'am, I am Multani
She
Misbah.
visited Dash where she rode. Yes, please tell the answer better.
Disneyland. Disneyland.
Disneyland where she rode.
California Screaming.
What is she ride on?
California
Arizona
Screaming.
streaming and roller coaster. Very good. Very good. Now, please, Muskan, I want you to you scroll it up, Muskan.
Yes, ma'am. What? Hello.
Now, scroll it. Now, I want yes, better nothing. Next, okay, I want somebody who is not answered to give me the answer of this rhyming words. Grew. Those who have not answered can try.
Can I say Hi.
Yes, better. Yes, better. Tell me your name.
Shahin Kadi.
Right. Tell me your name. Sahil Khatri. Okay. Tell me, grew.
Below.
Rhyme a word with grew.
Below.
Grew.
Below.
What was the word given to you all in the text in your book? I don't think it is not rhyme.
Ma'am,
Tell me
blue.
the spelling.
B
Grew.
L
Blue.
E
Okay.
W. B L W. B
No, better
W
side.
E
Be
S.
quiet.
Ma'am, B L E W.
B L U E. Okay. Okay, B-L-E-W, blue. Okay, glue, blue. Okay, next, Saida will say you. I want to
Flu.
rhyme the word with H-U-E. You. Huh?
Flu. Flu. Flu.
Flu. Okay, you know the meaning of you, H-U-E?
No, ma'am.
You know the meaning of H-U-E? It means color. Okay? Now, the next
Okay.
is question 3. Answer the following. What was the weather like that day? Cite some examples from the passage to support your answers. Who is going to say this? I want one girl to answer. Shaheen? Shaheen? Shaheen?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is Shaheen?
Yes, I am.
Please answer this. What was the weather like that day? Cite some examples from the passage to support your answers.
Yes, ma'am. The weather was sunny day
Yes,
at
beta? Hmm?
the weather was sunny day at
Huh?
that, that day. Example: the sun had been beating, beating down on my face and blinding me without my hat. The sun blinding as the ride
Hmm?
stayed outside. When the car stopped and the hat poked into the ride, we wait stop.
Okay. Is it over? Okay, now next is I want Saida to answer. How did the men fix the boat?
The man
How
fixed the
did the
boat
boat?
with some glue and Screw. The man fixed the boat with some glue and screw.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next is Muskan, please call it up. Now reference to context. Uh, who spoke these words? Okay. Yeah, go with mom. I'll take your hat. Who said these words? Yeah, go with mom. I'll take your hat.
Ma'am, can I Malik Tahira?
Huh?
Ma'am, can I cast my net?
Ma'am, can I
Saida,
Malik
please say the
Tahira?
answer. 1 second. Kasmani, you will get next turn. Kasmani, yours is next turn. Okay. Okay. Malik Saira, who spoke these words to whom? Yeah, go with mom. I'll take your
Na-
hat. Words.
Narrator's father spoke this word to
Huh?
narrator. Narrator's father spoke this word to narrator.
Yes. Yes, beta. Correct. Now next, who said she will answer Tahir, I think. Where was the speaker asking the listener to go?
What,
Where was
ma'am?
the speaker asking the listener to go? Please call it up a little loud. Where was the speaker asking the listener to go? See the question, number B, 1B.
The
Where
speaker.
was the speaker asking the listener to go? Hmm.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, better. Tell me your name.
Can I say? Ma'am, I will.
Alina Khali.
Uh, no, Alina has already asked, so please better let her be.
Speaker.
Alina, where was the speaker asking the listener to go?
The speaker
Ma'am, can I
asked
say?
the listener to go to the California screaming ride with her mother. The
Very,
speaker
very
asked
good.
the
Number
listener
three, who
to
it was
go
there with them at that
to
time.
what, ma'am?
Yes, I heard it, beta. I heard it. I heard it. I heard it, beta. It is correct. Now the
Yes.
third one, please call it up. Who else was trying with them at that time? Who
There
was
were
there with
narrator,
them at that time?
there were narrator's father, mother,
There were
brother. There were narrator, father, mother, brother, narrator, herself, and many other sunbirds died were there. at that time.
Okay. 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 Good. Now, please call up Muskan. Okay. Now, who have raised the hands? Tahira and Multani. So, Tahira now. Identify the kind of sentence. Allah, we lost the match. What kind of sentence is this? Nobody is going to say Misai, Misai. Only Aline, that will Multani to try, yeah?
Ma'am, I know Malik Tahira this sentence.
Ma'am, can I say the?
First, let me complete. Beta, wait. Everybody will get a chance. Multani, I was asking you a question. Alas, we lost the match. Go on, tell me. Okay, Tahira, please.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, ma'am.
Tahira, please tell the answer. What type of sentence is this? What kind of sentence is this? Alas, we lost the match.
Ma'am, I know this sentence.
This is this. You don't have to look up the. You don't know. Okay, who's the other one who's yes later? Who's the tell the answer?
Ma'am, I'm Multani Misbah.
Come on,
Can I say the?
Alina. What?
Yes, ma'am.
Alina. I asked Alina.
Exclamatory.
She was the one who. Please say the answer.
Exclamatory mark.
Exclamatory. Why? Because there's an exclamation mark, and it also shows emotion. Okay. Now we say alas when something sad or something not good has happened. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next one. Next
Ma'am, can I
one.
say the?
Did you complete
Ma'am,
your
can I
work?
Misbah?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I?
Saida, please. Next one afterwards. 1 second, Saida. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Everybody mute your mind. I want Misbah to say. Did you complete your homework, Misbah? Misbah.
Imperative. Yes, ma'am.
Misbah.
Imperative.
Tell me the answer. You said I want to say the answer. What is it? Imperative. No. Did you complete your work? What is there at the end? What mark is there at the end of the
I N T
what mark?
E double R O G A T I V
No.
E.
No, beta. No. No.
Ma'am,
No,
can
beta. No.
I
Look at the question. Did you complete your work?
Ma'am, can I Malik Tahira?
Ma'am, can I say the?
Yes, Tahira. Please, Malik,
Ma'am.
Tahira, don't ask me twice. Just say the answer. Did you
Answer
complete your homework? What type of question is this?
answer is interrogative. Interrogative.
What is it, beta?
Interrogative.
Interrogative. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you. Now, anything else is there, Muskan, or the paper is over? Or some question answers will be there, or that's all? Okay, thank you, Muskan.
Welcome.
Okay, okay. Now, all of y'all, thank you, and all of you all participated well and did well, I suppose. Now, I want Muskan to present the third lesson.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Okay, is this the maximum you can do? Can we do it on the screen over here? Full screen? No. We can't do a bigger screen than this.
We can do bigger screen. 1 minute.
Okay.
Now,
Okay. Better than before.
now,
Okay. Thank you, beta. The name of this lesson, yes, beta, is good. I can see. The Singing Grasses and Tarzan Wines. Okay. This is a adventure story. You know what's an adventure? Do you know what's an adventure? Okay. You can, somebody's mic is unmute. Please mute it, beta. Except, yes, beta. Whoever wants to ask me fast, beta. Okay. Singing grasses and Tarzan wines. Can you please scroll it up a little?
Ma'am, I know what is
Yeah, they-
adventure.
Huh?
I know what is adventure.
Warm up.
मैम कोई मुश्किल काम.
Yes, tell me the answer.
मैम कोई
मुश्किल
मुश्किल
काम
काम
और वो
करनी.
भी एक्टिविटी कर लेते बहुत डिफिकल्टी के साथ. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, okay. Now please scroll up a little bit. I cannot see.
Ma'am, can
Okay,
I?
now exercise. When an adventure, no, but I'll tell you to define it. When an adventure story is set in an imaginary universe filled with magic and magical creatures, it is called fantasy adventure. Now let me tell you. You have seen your cartoons or you would have read stories of fairies and dragons, and you would have heard of so many magical stories whereby there's a fairy who just moves a wand and something happens, you know. So these are all fantasy stories. Fantasy is imagination. It is not true story. It is not real story. It is fantasy. It is made up. So do you understand the meaning of fantasy adventure?
Yes, ma'am.
Now to understand the meaning of fantasy adventure, or shall I repeat? Okay. So when an adventure story is set in imaginary universe means you sometimes dream, no? Sometimes all of us dream that like when you were young, that you are suddenly, you if you would have read the story of Alice in Wonderland, in that, it's an imaginary story where a girl, Alice, she by mistake goes into the rabbit den. You know what's a rabbit den? uh, where does the rabbit stay? It stays underground. It digs a hole in the ground and it stays in the den. It is called a den. So the Alice, what does she do is one day she goes into the rabbit den and then she's surprised to see a big mansion, a big palace like house. Then there are so many new creatures over there, new type of things inside. So these are all imagination. What is this? This is all imagination. It doesn't happen for real. Have you ever seen anybody really going into a rabbit den? We cannot even go into a rabbit den because it is very small. But this is just imagination. Imagination means it's not real. It is just all made up story. Okay. So look at the picture and read the word. Take the, I don't know what you say. Just little down little. I want to read the sentence. Take it down, scroll it down better little. I want to
Yes.
see what question. Please broaden it a little.
Yes. Hello, ma'am.
Now, I was reading the, yes, I was reading the question better. A question tick the, what is it? Tick the, look at this picture, look at the pictures and read the words. Tick the ones that may appear only in adventure stories. Okay? Now look at the first one. Have you seen a man with a horse body? No. Have you ever seen a man with a horse body? Have you
No.
seen a man with a horse body anytime? No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Because this is imagination. It is not true. Okay, the next is, okay. It's so difficult to present the screen today. Muskan, you're not able to present properly?
Ma'am, I can
Muskan,
properly
can you please
present.
present it properly?
Yes, ma'am, I am properly present. See.
Muskan, she's already doing it, so let's. No, better, no. No, better. Muskan,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
cannot see the first page properly.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Now, hello.
but it is all on one side only. Yes, it is on one side, better.
Okay. Okay.
You yourself see the screen, you will understand better. You yourself see the screen, you will understand where you positioned it.
Okay. Now,
But it's not in the center, better. It is not in the center. Look at these pictures and half is showing better, full is not showing.
1 minute and once more stop presenting and now sharing. My screen is visible. Ruby ma'am.
Yes, it's visible. Yes, it is visible better.
Okay, ma'am. Now it is showing. Look at these pictures.
But it is still on one side. It should come to the left side.
1 minute. Now,
Yes, I can see half of it. Look at these pictures. After that, the whole sentence is eaten up. You cannot see.
now,
Now see. Now I can see. Now I can see because I have put a pinpointed. Okay. Now look
yes.
here. There's you have to take the picture. You have to take the read the words and take the ones that appear only in a fantasy story. Okay, this is an adventure story. So in an adventure story, you can see the centaur. Centaur is the man with the horse body. And this side again, there are children playing. You can see in the fantasy adventure, but the children are everywhere. In your stories also. But in fantasy, you can see a dragon also. So you can pick the centaur and you can pick the dragon. Now scroll it up a little bit. Scroll it up. Upar karo. Now, dungeon. Dungeon is, something that is underground. A room that is underground. It is dark. Okay. And that is also, you can tick that one. Then this is griffin. Griffin is an imaginary animal. You can see the picture. Okay, this is not for real. This is all in fantasy. And the next is unicorn. Okay, unicorn also we can say that it is in fantasy. That is all these words we use. The ones which I said, you can tick as being fantasy words, which are used in adventure. Okay, so move on to the next one. Next page.
Yes, ma'am. Now,
Yes. Yes, now I can see. Okay.
okay.
Now you understood the meaning of adventure. You all understood the pictures that they are not used in everyday stories, except for the children. The other all were fantasy pictures. Fantasy means imagination. They are not for real. Okay. Now, in this excerpt from Asha Nehemiah, The Mystery of the Secret Herald Formula. Okay. Happy reading. So this story is taken from. Oh, beta, you're shaking it, beta. This story is taken from Asha Nehemiah's The Mystery of the Secret Herald Formula. Okay, so this author, her name is Asha Nehemiah. She's written this whole story, and out of the story, one particular lesson is taken out and for you all to learn. Okay, and this is a fantastic story that is imagination. You have to imagine. आपको इमेजिन करना है कैसे होगा ऐसा रियल में कभी नहीं होता ओके बट इट्स बिकॉज इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक स्टोरी द स्टोरी गोज so far more than a year ago Malu parties discovered the secret formula for making I cannot see because my this thing is coming yes discovered a formula for making hair oil that could make the hair grow even on bald heads. Means here, this is a story of a party. Party means Malupati. In Pati is what? A South Indian name for grandmother. And the name of the grandmother is Malu. So she discovered a secret formula. So she had made some hair oil, which would make the hair grow even on bald hair. Bald hair means, what is bald? Because a person who doesn't have any hair, is called a bald-headed person. Okay. So she made some changes to formula and came up with the most wonderful and amazing hair oil. So she had come up with one hair oil she made at home, and it has some secret formula in it. Formula is how to therefore what ingredients to add to make the hair oil. Okay. So which party named as Wonder Grow Supersonic Hair Tonic. So this party, that is the grandmother. Party is the grandmother, or old lady in Tamil. And Malu Pati, her name is Malu Pati. And she has made this particular hair oil and to make the hair grow even on bald hair. Okay. And she had a secret formula for it. And she had named the hair oil Wonder Grow Supersonic Hair Tonic. Wonder Grow, like you must have seen so many advertisements of hair oils, which says that hair will grow, your hair fall will stop, then it will become soft and silky. All these examples, advertisements. In the same way, Malu Pati had made this hair oil, and it was named as Wonder Grow Supersonic Hair Tonic. Supersonic means very fast and super. Okay. Now she is invited to present the formula at the World Herbologist Conference, having held at the Mauna Baba Herbal Research Laboratory in Moni Ashram. Okay. So now you must be knowing that even if you don't know, let me inform you that when some people come up with some formulas and they spread the word or they give it in advertisement or somewhere, the big companies or the big research companies, what they do, they invite them because they want to share the person to share the formula, and for sharing the formula also you get a lot of money. And if there's a conference, everybody will, in a conference means like a big meeting where people with different talent will come and present their product, and they will tell you the positive points of the product. Now, for example, this is a conference of hair. Okay, this is a conference of herbologist. Herbologist is everything herbal. You must have heard of herbal hair oil, herbal medicines. You would have heard of herbal soap. Have you heard of herbal soaps? Herbal soap सुना है आपने कभी? Have you heard?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand the meaning of herbal? Herbal
Yes,
means made from natural things like plants and leaves of plants. You must have seen the neem soap and the aloe vera soap, and all these are called herbal soaps. What are they called? Herbal. Okay. So anything done with natural plants and vegetation are called herbal. Okay. Anything that is natural, made from natural things is called herbal. No chemical is used in that. Okay. So there was a conference of the herbologists. Herbologist means all those who make herbal things, they are called herbologists. So there was a big conference, world conference. No, world means people from all over the world were going to attend this herbologist conference. And even, what was it? And it was it was held by Mauni Baba Herbal Research Laboratory. So there was one company called the name Mauni Baba Herbal Research Laboratory. Okay, just like you would have heard of Ramdev Baba. Yes or no? Everybody have heard of Ramdev Baba
Yes, ma'am.
or not? Have you heard of Ramdev Baba?
Yes, ma'am. We
He
have.
shows yoga, he teaches yoga, he has so many medicines which are herbal and natural. In the same way, in this lesson, this is all imagination. It is not true, but this is like a story, fantasy story. And here, who had organized this? Mauni Baba Herbal Research Laboratory in Mount Ashrampur. Okay, they had organized this world conference. Okay, and world conference of what? Herbologists. Herbologists are people who make things out of herbs, means natural leaves and vegetations. Okay. Now? No, I haven't completed better. Scroll it down, little.